y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it will be a ballin' on a budget. So we are putting on some press-on nails. So I try to get everything ready. I should have showed. I opened the nails before I even showed y'all which ones they were. But these are the Kiss French Tip Salon Acrylic French Tip Nail Set. Yeah, let's jump right into the video. First things first, not every nail in your nail kit is the same size. Ideally, 0 is the largest for your thumb and 11 is the smallest for your pinky finger, but you want to go through and size it and see what works best for you. Next, I'm going to file my nails and pretty much prep them so that the press-on nails can lay on nice and evenly. Y'all, I got nail glue stuck to my finger. Just like any manicure, prepping is a critical step. So you want to start by thoroughly cleaning your nails and pushing back your cuticles to remove excess skin. So this is what I'm doing here. And as you can see, I'm gently going around the nail bed and pushing back that skin. And this step is very important because it helps the press-on nails better adhere to your nails so that they can last longer. It was at this very moment when I realized I messed up. Like, my nails were longer than the freaking press-on nails, and I didn't know what to do. So my problem is my nails are longer than the freaking fake nails. I'm not about to waste my money, so I'm just going to cut my nails. Not like it matters anyways, because they was already raggedy. When you apply the glue to your nail, you want to make sure that it completely covers your nail. Now I'm going back to cut the rest of my nails because they're too long. And y'all, this is a personal choice, and that's only because I decided to get small petite nails. If your nails are long and you don't want to cut them, just get a longer full set. Take your time and be patient. Make sure that these nails fit your fingers perfectly. As you can see, I'm ripping off the little piece at the top which has the number on the nail, and then I'll go ahead and file that, and boom, they look and feel so natural. I just love this whole look. It's super affordable, quick, easy, and classy. A tip to help your nails last longer is to wipe them off with an alcohol wipe before applying the press-on nails. This just ensures that you are removing any excess oils and dirt. And we are all done, girls.